Welcome back to our channel, and today's video is going to be featured with me, Blossom, and my sister, me, Becca. Today, we're going to be opening a surprise cube. A Play-Doh cube, in fact. It has 3 items inside of it. I'm sorry if you see our older sister Brooke in the back. She's, reading. Anywho, let's get started with the video. First of all, we have this long Play-Doh knife and another Play-Doh knife. Help us get the cube open. And then we have the Play-Doh can over there to put all of the Play-Doh back inside. So let's get started. And our mom's going to be helping us too. I think this Play-Doh knife really works, so let's... Okay. It's got peace off, guys. Okay. It doesn't matter. Hiding the Play-Doh. Get most of the Play-Doh off, we'll do that. Hey guys, so we got the Play-Doh off. All we need to do is move the egg out of the way. Let's shake it. Maybe stuff inside. And here, we're gonna put all the Play-Doh and squish it. Mommy's helping us. We put our Play-Doh knife away. Okay, so now we're gonna put this on. And then me and my sister Becca are really excited to open the egg. So let's open it. Becca, how about you open it? Okay. Okay, so we got it cracked open. Really excited to reveal what's inside. Okay, so you guys saw a glance of what's inside. So we're gonna pour out the objects to glance. Not really see them that much. So now we're gonna see what they are, and then we'll tell you what they are. So this is what's in the surprise egg. We got a Baby Littlest Pet Shop that came with an accessory baby bottle. It's so cute. Then we got a Shopkin. This Shopkin is Claire Chair, I think. These are all of the stuff that we got in this egg. We're going to put the eggshell back on. If you guys want more videos like this, we're going to be doing the surprise in the Play-Doh cube every week, maybe. Or twice a week. And we'll have new surprises. In the comments, tell us what your favorite surprise was. Was it the baby elephant, the baby bottle, or Claire Chair the Shopkin? Tell us that in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please give it a like and subscribe. And in the comments below, let us know what's your favorite surprise. And another thing to put in the comments, put name suggestions for the little baby elephant. And we'll reveal its name soon. Anywho, bye from Becca. Bye from Blossom. Bye. And bye from Mommy, aka Mandy. Bye, guys.